Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business real estate interior alignment using adaptive wide angle in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and bring in a real estate interior photo. I pause because property visuals affect business trust. The walls look tilted due to wide angle distortion. I duplicate the layer first. I open Camera Raw filter and choose adaptive wide angle. I draw vertical lines along the walls. I pause and let Photoshop adjust. I add a line along the floor for stability. I zoom in to check doors and windows. Everything now feels straight and premium. I zoom out and sense value in the space. Now I add business real estate text align neatly. The image now feels reliable.